by now. They're up and racing. We have Go Air Force draws for the early lead, moving upon the outside. Reyes Gold, Elgin and Chairman running in between runners. Then comes Bagong Silang, followed now by 3 number 2, and that's 11 yan Queen by the Rail Lady Sutter running alongside Blue Chic, Abon's Treasure, then followed by Farragut's Order, while Swab Tiger is the early trailer as they round the 3/4 mile pole. We have the pace setter number 1, Bagong Silang by our length and a half. Go Air Force is in second, running in third, Reyes Gold. Moving upon the outside is Paragut's Order, then comes Elgin and Chairman. The Lone Grey Galloper, Blue Chic is on the outside, followed by Elebenian Queen. Abon's Treasure is by the rail, running second last is Lady Sutter and Swab Tiger. Heading towards the last 600, Paragut's Order now takes the lead over Bagong Silang. Running now in third, Reyes Gold, Elgin and Chairman arriving to the race to Blue Shake down in fifth, fading out. Go Air Force, then comes Elebenian Queen, Abon's Treasure, Swab Tiger and Lady Sutter as they turn for home. It's still Farragut's Order leading the field. Elgin and Chairman now running in second. Go Air Force down in third, and by the rail is Avon's Treasure moving up on the outside. Blue Chic with the last 150 more to run. Elgin and Chairman takes the lead over Bagong Silang, and leading the finish line, Elgin and Chairman. Go Air Force, Blue Chic, Bagong Silang 2A, Reyes Gold for your Pentapecta.